the trade-off between accurate water and electricity consumption monitoring and minimizing costs has always been an obstacle for utilities. Obviously, and since utilities want to keep themselves profitable, they minimize the number of times an employee has to check the consumption of a household. The latter is still costly, though, since we're talking about hundreds of thousands of meters being checked regularly. However, what renders the process more inefficient is that the data communicated to customers are mere estimations based on the history of consumption, and may not be adjusted until the company decides to check its meters again. Also, let's not forget that workers taking notes of the consumption of customers are humans, prone to making mistakes in reading or recording consumption records. Finally, water leaks cannot be detected unless physical damage is detected, which causes customers money. All these problems hurt the image of utilities and cost them money at the same time. In one of Morocco's cities, Tangier, thousands of residents took to the streets to protest over high water and electricity bills, which results from the inefficient billing system in utilities. Within this scope, please welcome our solution. AlterUnit smart meters are digital water and electricity meters that transmit real-time consumption data to utilities and notify them if a potential leak is detected. AlterUnit smart water and electricity meters use the Internet of Things to help develop a smart city model in Morocco, helping utilities reduce unfixed costs and gain back the trust of their customers. Through AlterUnit water and electricity meters, and with the help of our digital monitoring program, accurate records of consumption will be communicated through the power lines themselves to utilities that will use them to charge customers and notify them of their accurate consumption. Potential leaks alerts will also be communicated through power lines to distribution centers to prevent water loss. Since our startup is a business-to-business idea, our customers are water and electricity utilities. With a market growth rate of 4.2% and 3.4% for both water and electricity sectors, respectively, our total addressable market consists of all utilities in Morocco reaching more than 10 million clients. However, breaking down our market, our serviceable obtainable market is utility companies in a Moroccan city called Oujda with around 80,000 clients. The main reason why we want to launch our startup in this city is the surge in Oujda's utility subscribers. Also, Oujda is the city where most of the team members come from. Therefore, it will be easier to start from a location that we are most familiar with its business culture. Additionally, and in an effort to gain encouragement from the authorities, we managed to get approval from the National Office of Water and Electricity in Oujda on our startup's vision. Moving to the marketing strategy. Our marketing strategy for our first customer will consist of pitching the idea in front of Oujda's utilities and providing an accurate estimation of costs and revenues over the short and long term. After working with the first customer, our marketing strategy will shift to social media and our company's website to voice our services. To develop our meters, AlterUnit reached the Superior School of Technologies in Oujda to help us benefit from their research facilities. So far, AlterUnit could build the water meter with the tracking consumption functionality. We are now at the stage of testing the meter and the accuracy of the data being transmitted. When this chapter of testing is done, AlterUnit will work on the electricity meter and the connection between the two over the power line, which is set to be done by the end of this year. Once the bundle of the 2 meters is ready and tested, we will move to the part of designing the communication protocol between the meters and the utilities.